Anin Bojo Kanoya. This is just a small tutorial to help you understand how to navigate transcribing the Ojibwe in this class. Sometimes we have sounds that are difficult to distinguish when writing, so I'm going to do some gestures to help signal to you what to write. First, we have velar consonants. That's any vowel sound with an NG attached to the end. I will do this gesture for them, either this or this. Next, we have the nasal sounds, our 4 vowel options followed by an NH or NHS. I will do this gesture for them. For this particular dialect of Nipissing Nishnabemwin, most times our glottal stop is reduced to a Y sound, and we will use this gesture to indicate a glottal stop. M and N sounds are difficult to distinguish, so pay attention to my lips when I pronounce them in these videos. M for an M sound and an N for an N sound. Lastly, because our hyphens or dashes don't produce a sound, I will do this gesture to let you know when to write in a hyphen or a dash. Keep in mind, these consonants sound very similar to each other at times. So if you're spelling something with these consonants, try alternating the spelling of these until you find the correct spelling in our course dictionary. Miigwech bsindwieg nongum, misae aja.